Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Filmmakers and lovers gathered at the University of the West Indies last evening for the GATFest Film Festival 2018 launch, where organizers unveiled plans for this year's staging. Formerly known as the August Town Film Festival, GATFest, which began in 2013, has become one of the Caribbean's premier community film festivals. Expectations are high for the sixth staging of the annual event, as GATFest 2018 will see a lot of exciting film-related activities and events taking place over 8 days across Kingston and Montego Bay, including workshops to be conducted from filmmakers from Colombia. This year's festival will begin on Saturday, June 16 at the Mona Visitors Lodge and will showcase a film, Hear Me Move, a South African dance film which was released earlier this year.
Tonight was really a wonderful occasion, celebrating, the GATFest Film Festival. And, this is a film festival that started in 2013, just out of the Greater Augustown community. And what it does is that it emboldens local film industry. It emboldens our local filmmakers. And it really, really is amazing to have this showcasing of Jamaican talent.
Tonight we just had our GATFest Film Festival launch and we're so excited about it. We have a very big program this year. It's from June 16th to the 23rd. So we're just so excited. This is coming from like a 3-day festival. Over the past 3 years, we've just decided to move it from that to a full 8 days. No. Thanks to partnerships with different embassies, we have a Japanese film night, a Colombian film night, we have a big premiere with the South Africans, we have a Canadian film night, and of course we have a Jamaican film night.
Dancehall artist Tifa debuted her first single from her yet-to-be-titled album today. The track titled J.A. Party was produced by Christopher Birch on the Birch Hill Records imprint. Tifa has been on a roll, having recently completed a mini tour in North America last month, where she even did a photo shoot for the album. The tour saw Tifa performing in places like Queens and Rochester in New York, as well as Connecticut. She also performed in Vancouver, Canada. Tifa is preparing to embark on another tour for the summer. She'll be making stops in Europe, Africa, and North America. On the international scene, music streaming app Tidal is refuting claims it is overinflating streaming numbers for 2 albums, Lemonade by Beyoncé and The Life of Pablo by Kanye West. On Wednesday, a Norwegian media outlet published a story claiming that Tidal was overinflating streaming numbers for some of its artists to generate a higher royalty payout. Kanye's Life of Pablo album was certified platinum by the RIAA in April and became the first streaming-only album to achieve platinum status. In response, Tidal states that the allegations are nothing more than a smear campaign against them. Tidal is part-owned by Jay-Z. He is also Beyoncé's husband and a long-term friend of Kanye West. In recognition of National Wear Red Day, I'm in my colors to help promote heart disease and stroke awareness. We encourage you to wear red, go red. And that's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.